Hi, my name is Java+React. Welcome to the Stock Tracker web application. Before I show the app feature, I would like to talk a little bit about technologies that I used and the inspiration why I wanted to build this app. Here's the background. My sister invests some money with her friend on daily stock trading. They purchase and sell stock almost every day. And here are the problems. She doesn't have any tool to keep track of the purchase and sell history. Currently, she is using pen and paper to keep track of her stock investment. She cannot tell or see her current cash value or profit. So the stock tracker application will solve all her problems and more. For technologies, I use Java Spring Boot for my backend and deploy it on Heroku. For frontend, I use React.js and deploy it on Firebase. Let's explore the app together. Here is the login homepage of my app. It requires users to log in with their secret username and password. If we click login, it shows those fields are required. If the user tries to input wrong data, it shows the user those are invalid input. So let's try a real username and correct password. So once the user logs in successfully, it prompts the user with this page where they can see the navigation bar. Now let's look at the portfolio. Right now we do not have anything on here yet because we do not have any data. Let's add some cash. I also set field validations for this form. So now it's successfully added. And if you look at the capital history, we will see $50,000 got added into the capital history. The user can edit or they can delete it. Let's look at the portfolio. Right now we have $50,000 for the starting capital. So the user can start inputting their purchase stock records by clicking on stock, add stock. I also set field validations for this form. Each field is required. Successfully added. If we look at the stock holdings, we will see the stock that we just added. We can edit, or we can delete, or we can sell. So if we look at the capital history, we would see the amount that we purchased stock subtracts from the capital value. And if we look at the portfolio, we would see summary of the stock that we purchased and also the fund available for trading. To provide the real demonstration for the user story, I am going to pause the video and add a few more stocks. So I just added a few more stocks on here. So the blue column right here is the current price that got pulled from the external API. This is the price from yesterday. And this column would show the anticipated gain and loss and also the percentage based on the current price and the purchase price. So now let's sell some stock. If I click on sell, so I would sell this at this price. When I sell the stock, it's gonna delete the row from the stock holding list, and then it would add it to the sell history. If we look at here, we would see the stock that we just sold. And also, if you look at the capital history, every time when we sell stock, it's gonna add it to the capital value. And if we want to edit or make some adjustment on the sell, we can basically just edit it like this. Let's say I sell it at $4, and then we expect to see 4,000 also get edited on the capital history. Click save, and if you look at the capital history here, we will see $4,000 on here. Let's sell another stock by simply go to the stock holdings and sell. click on sell. So this one I want to sell it at loss. So I would like to sell it at $2. And I sell it on this date. Alright, so now if we look at the capital history again, we would see the amount of money that got added into here. Another cool feature that I implemented was the stock performance, where the user can input any stock symbol and search for their performance. Let's search for Boeing. So if we hover on this dot, we would see the price for each day, and we can also maximize this to see it more clearly. Finally, I successfully built an app for my sister that helps her keep track of all her stock investment. She can see the fund available for trading, profit, total cash value. This chart shows the percentage of purchased stock compared to the total purchase. And this graph shows the sell history. If we hover on the bar, we would see the amount of how much we sold. This one we sold at loss. If we hover on any ticker from this list, we would see the stock performance, and we would see the price for each day. Once we're done with this, we can log out. Thank you so much for watching.